In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete messages on Slack step by step, whether it's a quick typo you want to remove or an old message you no longer want visible in a channel or direct message. This is a super simple process, but if you're new to Slack or just want to make sure you're doing it the right way, this guide will walk you through everything. We'll cover where to find the delete option, how to confirm the deletion, and a few important things to keep in mind about permissions and message history. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and go to the Slack homepage or workspace where the message you want to delete is located. You can do this in your web browser or in the Slack desktop app, since the steps are the same. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the channel or direct message where the message was sent. Scroll through the conversation until you find the exact message you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check the message so you're sure you're deleting the correct one, especially if the conversation is active or contains similar messages. Next, hover your mouse cursor over the message you want to delete. When you hover over the message, you'll see a small toolbar appear on the right side of the message. In this toolbar, click on the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to that message. This menu is where Slack keeps actions like editing, saving, and deleting messages. Now, in the drop-down menu, click on the option that says Delete Message. Slack will then show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to delete the message. This extra step helps prevent accidental deletions, especially in busy channels or important conversations. Take a second to confirm that this is the message you want to remove. If you're sure, go ahead and proceed. Finally, click the Delete button in the confirmation window. Once you click Delete, the message will be permanently removed from the conversation. It will no longer be visible to you or to other members in that channel, depending on your workspace settings. Keep in mind that in some workspaces, only your own messages can be deleted, and there may be time limits set by administrators. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a message on Slack in just a few clicks. As a quick reminder, always be mindful when deleting messages, especially in shared workspaces, since message history can be important for collaboration and records. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see a specific Slack feature covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.